करके दिखलाया
डाउन कर लेता हूँ।
These are the world citizens coming up, people holding flags of the different countries of the world, dressed in the costumes of different countries, representing different countries. And these are the children holding the United Nations flags. They are the world citizens. Keep going. Elder brother, Shubhanshu Shukla. They bring with them their smiles. On every single face we see a broad smile. And here are all little Shukses. These are all Shukses. I am Shuks. They're wearing the... I request the audience to please give a standing ovation to Shuks and his family members. They truly deserve it. And a huge round of applause. This moment is not just a moment which will be etched in our hearts forever. And such moments don't just happen. They are earned. If you believe कि वादा है हम जीतेंगे, then please wave your hands.
I saw all of you smiling. I saw all of you so excited to just be there and just be doing this. So thank you so much for that. I am told that I do not have a lot of time. I will be interacting with you subsequently, but I have grown up here in this school. I have done my entire schooling here and sitting on these chairs that you are sitting right now. And I saw you performing on the stage, the fine bunch of kids who were doing exceptional performances out here. Let me tell you, I wasn't even halfway there, what you did. I was not as talented as you are. And if I could reach where I reached with being what I was, I can only imagine what you kids are going to do when you grow up in the future. The only thing that is required is perseverance. Nothing else, just perseverance. In my experience that I've had in the past 5 years of training and last 1 year flying to the International Space Station, and coming back and looking at how this entire landscape is changing, I think the future is extremely bright. We are at the right time, the right opportunities are existing. And to cite an example, from on orbit I had 3 interactions with kids. One was live and you kids participated in that interaction, and the other 2 were through ham radio. And in each of these interactions, at least there was a kid who asked, I did not get a question, what do you do on station? Nobody asked me that. Or what does an astronaut do? But the question that I was asked was, in each of these interactions, how do I become an astronaut? And I think that speaks volumes of where your mind is going. Please aspire. We have a great vision and ambition to land on the moon by 2040. And it would be one of you probably who will be setting foot there. But don't expect I am going to be in competition. So work hard and we will compete together and we will see who goes to the moon in 2040. But I think this is the golden time, and I am just amazed by the sheer capability of what you guys have. And future looks so promising to me that the energy that I have once I came back to India, it has been growing every day looking at the enthusiasm that everybody has. And I'm so happy, pleasantly surprised by the enthusiasm that is being displayed by everyone here. I did get a welcome in Delhi, I would say, but it was nothing like this. So thank you so much for this warm welcome. I'm so happy to be back home. Thank you.